Hello science lovers, welcome back to our channel. Ever noticed how ice melts into water or how puddle disappears on a hot day? Today we are going to talk about changes in the state of matter. We are going to see how substances transition from solid to liquid to gas and back again. Imagine this, it's a hot summer day and you have a cold drink with ice. As the ice melts, where does it go? And what happens when you heat that drink until it steams? Understanding these changes is key to grasping the science behind everyday's activities. Let's explore how this transformation happens. First, let's define what we mean by state of matter. What are states of matter? There are four primary states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. But today I'll be focusing on three, which are solid, liquid, and gas. First, solid. In solid, particles are tightly packed together and vibrate in place, giving them a definite shape and volume. Think of ice cubes. Then we have liquid. In liquids, particles are still close together, but they can move past one another, allowing liquids to take the shape of their container while maintaining a constant volume, like water. Then we have gas. In gases, particles are far apart and they move freely, filling whatever space they occupy. That's what happens when you boil water and it creates steam.